Hello Indonesia, and you're watching us on NTV YouTube channel. Saya Alisha Panwar.
Saya Arjun Bishlani, and you're watching us on NTV YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to be in Indonesia. And today we're going to make a local dish, which is an Indonesian dish, and it's called
Ketoprak.
Ketoprak.
Ketoprak. What do you think it can be?
I think it will be like a big fish or something. Or maybe it's a soup. Ketoprak sounds like, maybe it's a, what else? Salad? No?
But Ketoprak.
Ketoprak salad, I don't know.
Ketoprak, maybe salad? No, but Ketoprak.
Snake? No.
Cobra.
Like cobra.
Ketoprak, cobra. Yeah.
So guys, we are going to give you a challenge.
Okay.
You are going to make your own version of Ketoprak. So, okay, so are you guys ready?
Yes?
Yes.
Okay guys, so on the table in front of you guys, we have prepared all the ingredients, including the sauce ingredients, to make Ketoprak. So,
Ketoprak.
the challenge is, I'm going to guide you how to make the sauce and the Ketoprak, but in Bahasa. So you
Okay.
just need to pick which one that
Oh,
you
I'll
think
do
is
it
the right
easily.
ingredient.
Don't you worry.
Yeah, easy
this.
peasy.
Like this.
Not just that, I put other ingredients, not the real ingredients for Ketoprak, just to make a distraction from the real ingredients.
Okay.
Oh.
So are you guys ready?
Yes,
Yes.
I am.
Okay, so first up, you need to take the utensils to grind all the sauce.
Okay, I have it.
On the middle of the table. Now please take satu siung bawang putih.
I
Guess
think
which one?
it
Satu.
is. We have to make sauce, so maybe this,
This
peanuts.
peanuts to for sure. Wait, so I'll take some peanut.
Okay.
Next one is dua cabe kecil. Dua cabe.
Those can be there.
Maybe brown sugar because no, but
Dua.
sugar.
Yeah, this one.
Look, it has to be a sauce, so I think brown sugar can be one.
Dan garam. Garam.
Garam matlab something hot.
Maybe. I don't know, just
No,
to guess.
No.
Okay.
We'll
Garam.
Take this one. Yeah.
Are you serious? Garam? Are you sure?
Next one is gula merah.
Gula merah.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Oh, maybe this. We'll take some onions also to crush.
Bumbu kacang.
I think this is the one.
Bumbu kacang.
Bumbu kacang.
Kacang.
This.
Garlic, so I'm definitely adding in this.
Let's add some chili as well.
Yeah, let's
It should be
just add-
spicy.
Bas, that's it.
I love spicy. Try
One
it
sec,
now.
I think we've not added one thing. Because if it has to be a paste, there has to be water. So we need to add water.
Are you serious?
Yes.
A little bit of water.
Yeah. And we've not added these two sauces. So I think we've done something wrong.
I think this one. I think this one. Yeah, I think this one.
Guys, I think you need to add more kacang.
Kachang? That was a wild guess.
Okay.
It's kachang. Okay.
Okay
So
then.
after the sauce is ready, you need to make the main ingredients of Ketoprak. So prepare lontong.
On the plate.
Lontong.
Yeah, I think this one would go. Yeah, we have this fork.
Do you
also.
think that is a lontong?
It looks long, so,
So
maybe
long
it's
tong.
long tong.
Our logics are the best.
Okay.
Long tongue.
And then the second one is bihun rebus.
Bacon rebus. Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, but
I'm
it
just-
might be. It might be.
See,
Yeah.
since we made a sauce, I assume everything is not cooked. So I
Yeah.
assume it's like more like a salad.
So
And
I
it's
think
more like
this would come.
uh,
Yeah.
And the third one is toge.
I think it has to be this.
Toge sounds more like tofu.
Yeah. So
This looks like tofu.
it looks nice.
And the last one, you need to put tahu goreng.
I think this no. Yeah, sauce has to be there, no?
We already added the sauce, yeah.
This is the only one which can be added. You can't add this now. Who will eat this?
That
we
looks
can-
scary.
So this is the only thing we can add. Yeah, according to me, it has to be
I
this.
think we should just add this.
You sure?
Are you sure?
We can add this.
Oh yes.
See, you
These
forgot
are
this.
fried onions.
Yeah.
So we'll just add all of this.
I'm sure we can add this.
And the last one,
Wait.
you need to put sauce ketchup.
This is the ketchup. I'm telling you, this is the one.
No.
This is the one. I'm telling you.
Sour ketchup is that.
Because it's sour?
Let me just check.
No. Arjun, I don't think so.
This is not ketchup for sure. Answer. Actually, this is
This is the one. I'm telling you.
ketchup. I think.
This is the only one we can eat.
Yeah, it's a little sweet also.
Yeah, so we should add this. Nice, yeah, it's very nice. Wow, I'm so talented. Look what I've made.
As an additional condiment, this is curry.
Oh, I love it.
Okay.
I love to have it.
I'm just gonna. And this is my new recipe, so I'm going to teach you. So you take this
And you,
and you.
and then you.
So guys, please show your version of ketoprak to the camera here.
Woohoo! And we've done it! Come on, show it in the camera.
Okay.
So, ta-da! We made something. Katopra!
Not bad.
So this is Arjun's and Alicia's ketoprak.
Katopra.
Yes.
Arjun,
So
taste it.
guys, you need to taste your own version of ketoprak. Please take the spoon in front.
Now comes Alicia's turn.
No, it's your turn.
I have done everything. The least you could do is taste.
No. Boys first, come.
Take the sauce.
Use the sauce.
No, come on. Come on, Alicia.
Boys
Here's
first.
No, it's
He
always
has
girls
made
first.
it.
Come on,
He
Alicia.
has made it.
Alicia, don't be a
With
spoil
so
sport.
much of
Yeah.
hard work. I can't
You'll
do
hurt
it.
yourself, I'm telling you.
It's not bad. I'm surprised. It's not bad. I'm still alive.
Wait. First, before I eat, I will give some to my fans. You all can have this. Thank you. Okay.
This is our
Now I'll-
katopra.
It's good.
Yeah, I'm telling you. So you can thank me for that because I was the one who gave you all the ingredients. Like you can add this and you can add that, and especially with the sauce. Especially with the sauce. I love it.
Now I'm going to give you the real ketoprak. This is the real ketoprak.
I told you we have to use this. I told you, na? How does it taste like?
It's the same, yeah. I'm telling you, it's the same. In fact, this is so spicy. It's very spicy.
Not bad, yeah. Ours is also very good. I love it.
And this taste, na, this is just giving a soft cake kind of taste, but it doesn't really giving a taste. We have everything same except this, which we can add anyways, and
This is more spicy.
this is more spicy. Ours is better. Ours is less spicy. You try this. You've not tried with the sauce, which I'll make you have it.
No, it's okay. I understood.
Have. You like spicy? No, have spicy. Okay. So thank you so much. We really enjoyed to be on AntTV YouTube channel. This is Arjun's Katopra and Alicia's Katopra. So if you want to try this, please try this at home. It tastes really nice with the new ingredients. And I hope next time I come to Indonesia, on some menu I see, oh, Arjun's Katopra. It will be so amazing. Okay, so we are moving on to the next challenge. We have all these things that I don't know what they are, and we are going to get 5 main ingredients in
Yes.
which we are supposed to add any 2 of this in each ingredient and then
Little
taste
toppings,
it.
yeah.
And it's going to be a crazy surprise for both of us. It is going to be food mein mar jama, not ishq mein mar jama, food mein mar jama.
Let's see what we're gonna have.
First one, this is just a steamed white rice.
Oh, I love rice.
So now you have to choose 2 toppings from the toppings that you. So one from the left side, one from the right side.
Okay.
All the best.
So please tell us, how does it taste?
Very coconutty.
Very honestly, I didn't like it at all.
Okay, so our next thing is bread.
Look, I know. It's good.
So
But that's tasty, whatever it is. I don't know what it is.
Juice, I think.
Avocado juice.
Juice, yeah?
Avocado
It's
juice
no?
on bread.
Yeah,
But
avocado is
that's
healthy.
nice. Yeah, actually.
Avocado is healthy.
So the third one is
Yeah.
this. Okay. The rice porridge.
Oh my god, it's super spicy.
Yeah.
Sticky rice.
Okay.
This looks
You
good.
add whatever you want to.
So I'm gonna
Are
just
you
add
sure?
some chocolate powder, yeah. Oh no, whole thing you will have. It's coffee.
Come on, Arjun. Yeah, don't miss the spot. Yeah, come on. How's it? It's yuck. Nobody can have it. Anybody wants to try this?
When will this game get over?
I will have this first.
This is my turn.
This is my turn. We have to add something. We'll add this.
No, this looks bad.
Oh no, this looks good. This has to be added.
This one.
Yeah. I will have it first, Arjun.
We're not adding any more sauce, we're just adding these onions, I think.
Are you serious? Onions in? No, this cannot be.
It's done.
Arjun, I'm here.
See?
One more taste. Please, one more
No,
bite.
so I'm gonna have it since you've liked it.
Arjun, this is cheating. No, this is nice.
Very nice.
This is really nice. I loved it.
So what did I add?
You added a pempek sauce. So it's like a traditional sauce for traditional food.
Good. This is a sauce.
And we should add it
And
this
then
now.
you added shallots. Right?
But that's right. Or
Fried onions.
You
Yeah,
can try
perfect.
that thing, the thing in the middle.
sauce.
Yes,
that would have
you can try.
been
Try it, huh?
not like this, like with it.
Try. I think my least favorite was the coffee one.
Yeah.
Uh,
Can't bear that.
yeah, that was like really bad. The second one was
which I spoiled. The bread.
Yeah, the bread and cheese, I think, and avocado. I don't know.
Yeah.
Avocado sauce, that was really disgusting. Yeah, the porridge was my fourth favorite. Okay, right. And the best was this noodles.
Yeah, this
I think
was
that was
tasty.
the best for me. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we've done our challenges. We've told you what we liked in the order that we liked it. Thank you so much, AntTV YouTube channel, for having us. Having this wonderful, fun-filled games with us. Although the stomach's growling, but it was a lot of fun. And yes, do try that Katorba, Arjun's Katorpa at home. And,
Actually, do not try that.
Please try that, and it was really nice. Guys, support me, man. I need your support for this one. And what else? Yes, thank you for loving Ishq Mein Mar Jawa so much, and keep watching it. And thank you for all the love. Namaste and ciao.